Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Twilight Serenity Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the floret stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 3. I have already made 153 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Row 2 is going to be pretty simple. We're going to be alternating between making the double crochet stitch and a slip stitch. So into the first stitch of this row, make a double crochet stitch. Then into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. And that's pretty much it. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. So that is how things are looking. You're now going to alternate between making 1 double crochet stitch into the next stitch and then 1 slip stitch into the next stitch for the rest of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a double crochet, so you can skip the first stitch. Then you will simply make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 80 rows total for a throw-sized blanket. I tend to stick around 50 inches by 60 inches for a throw-sized blanket. And that is going to be how to make my Twilight Serenity Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.